Good morning, students. So today we read tense at present perfect tense. Okay, we have already about simple present, present continuous. Now present perfect tense. So where, in which case we use present perfect tense? First one is the work just completed. Means which work just completed, that is present perfect tense. Sima has just eaten his lunch. Sima has just eaten her lunch. That means just completed. Just eating. Just little moment before she started eating, but now just she has completed his lunch. So the action which has been completed already over that time. In that case, we use present perfect tense. Another second is already been completed at the time of speaking. So now I am speaking. I have already written a letter. Means I am saying the writing of letter is completed. So the work which has just completed at the time of speaking, that is also present perfect tense. She has come home. She has come home. So that means just she came. Okay. So at the time of speaking, that the work is done means that is also simple perfect tense. Okay. Present perfect tense. Then that work, sometimes the work started in the past but continuing in the present. So that is not present continuous tense. Okay, in the past, yesterday or some days before the work started, but now it is continuing, means that is present perfect tense. We have lived in this house since 2010. We have lived in this house since 2013. That means from 2013 living, now also we are living in this house. So the work is started in the past, till now it is continuing. So that is simple as present perfect tense, not present continuous tense. We are saying work is done while I am teaching, or you are reading, or you are watching a video. That means present continuous tense, that is. But which work started in some years before, some times ago in the past, and now it is continuing, means that is present perfect tense. So we have lived in this house since 2013, means now also we are living. So that is also present perfect tense. So these are the cases, and for which the time mentioned has not finished yet. Sometimes it work is not finished, that is also started before time. So that is also present perfect tense. It has rained heavily. It has rained heavily. It has rained heavily this month. Means this month continuously the rain it is raining. That means it has rained heavily this month. This is also present perfect tense. So what? Work just over. Work is just over. Time of speaking. The work is started before time, till now continuing, and this work is started and continuing now. That means also in these four cases are called present perfect tense. So what with present perfect tense we use some words like just, okay, then for, since and already. Okay, since, already. I have done this work already. So these four words used while writing the present perfect tense. So what is the formula of present perfect tense? Subject, okay, plus has or have, okay, plus V3 verb, which is past participle. That is called past participle verb. Is called V3 verb. The subject has or have plus past participle for verb with object. So this is the formula of present perfect tense. So here helping verb has or have. So where you use has or have? So according to person also it changes. So I, we, okay. Then they. Sorry, I, we, you, they plus have. Okay, I have, we have, you have, they have. But for singular third person, he, she, it plus has. Okay, so first person, second person, plural form have singular third person. Okay, so he, she, it plus has, and with that V3 verb. Okay, that is the formula of present perfect tense. Okay, so V3 verb you have to remind. Suppose go, went, gone. So suppose V3 verb how you write in your previous class you have know, or you can find out words from different grammar books also. Suppose you say V1, V2, V3. Okay, third form participle. So suppose go, V2 is went, V3 is gone. Okay, this will be used. Okay, then see, saw, seen. Okay, then dance, danced, danced. Okay, so these are V3 verb will be used in this past perfect tense. He has got the bell, or she has gone to Italy. It has run away from the farm. Like this you use has or have. तो past present perfect tense का formula है subject plus has, have plus V3 verb. This is the formula for present perfect tense. Okay, so suppose some examples. Simple present to present perfection. My friend goes to the public library. Suppose my friend goes to public library. So it is in the simple present form. Is if you are directed to change this to perfect tense, how? My friend is singular third person. So has goes will change to gone. Has gone public library. Okay, like this you have to change. So you must remind the formula. So simple present, which is present perfect tense. Now we read about present perfect progressive tense. So last present tense means simple present, continuous, perfect, continuous or perfect progressive. So this is tense used that the work is started in past, till now it is continuing, or just it can be extended to the future or recently stopped. Means it may be continuing for some times in future or just stopped, but it had started in the previous time. So that is present perfect progressive. So suppose I have been suffering from fever from last night. From last night means last night the fever has started, but till now I am suffering, but I don't know when I will occurred. That is present perfect progressive. That means that incident started in the future, now continuing or just over, or it may continue sometimes in future also. So that is called present perfect progressive tense. So in this present progressive tense, the formula is subject plus has or have with been plus subject, verb plus ing plus subject. Okay, so subject has or have, been, verb plus ing. So you know where we use has or have. Suppose like this, I have been suffer plus ing, verb plus ing, then object from figure last 9. So what is present perfect progressive tense? Incident started in the past, now just over, or now continuing, for future for some time it will continue. So this is present perfect progressive tense. Okay, so what if you compare present perfect to present progressive? I have been doing sums all morning. I have been doing sums all morning is the present perfect progressive tense. That is always all morning I am doing, means from many days I am doing, till now also I am doing. But I have done 5 sums. I have done 5 sums since morning. So this is perfect tense. So morning, in the morning already I have done 5 sums, means the work is already over. But I have been doing sums all morning, means it is continuous, perfect continuous, because every morning I am doing this, and some in coming morning also I will do that. Today morning also I did that. So this is the difference between present perfect progressive and present perfect tense. So I hope you understand about the present tense, simple present, simple continuous, and perfect progressive. Okay, so simple present, subject, formula is subject plus V1 or maybe S or ES. Okay, then continuous present continuous is subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing continuous. Then perfect continuous. Okay, present perfect continuous, that is subject plus has or have plus B3 4. Okay, then present perfect progressive or continuous, that is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. So these formulas you must remind for present tense. Simple present, subject plus V1 S or ES, subject I is, am, are, V1 ing, subject has, have, V3 for perfect present perfect. Okay, present perfect. Then present perfect continuous, subject plus has plus have been plus V1 ing. So I hope you understand, you clear about the present tense. Okay, and in next video we will discuss about the past tense. Thank you.